Here's some websites to get some Zalando promo codes from. Worth ePenny offers exciting and updated coupon codes that work or may not work if the code has expired or has reached its limit. To find the best code, try one from each platform and check the success rate. Click on Show Code to reveal the code. Then click on Copy to copy and paste it on Zalando. My Voucher Codes provides updated Zalando discount codes with an expiration date and details about the promo code. Click on Get Code to receive the code and redirect to the Zalando website. Zalando.browser.discount offers interesting deals and discounts, with a copy button for repurchasing. Click on Show Codes to find the codes and paste it to redeem it on Zalando. By browsing these three platforms, you can find the best code for your needs.